Hey, what's up, everybody? I am at the shop on Saturday morning. As usual, I have so much to get done. Just so you know, before I say anything else, the shop will be closed starting Monday morning until probably about Friday night. So the 16th, I think, to the 21st. It'll reopen after that. I'm going to be in Inbound in Boston for a conference. So anyway, here's what I'm working on this week. I've got a bone knife because I'm starting to sell those. I've sold out of the cross stakes. I'm gonna make two. Sold a pair of the Blade the Vampire Hunter stakes. So make a pair of those. I'm getting another Buffy the Vampire Slayer stake. I'm completely sold out of the Poplar stakes, which I can't believe. I made 6 of them last week. They're already all sold out, so I'm making 6 more. I've got an order for a Daisho set. I already got the longsword and the Tonto done, so I'm just doing the Shoto 32-inch this morning. I'm doing 2 more of the Monkey King cudgels in the gold style because those are starting to sell. And I'm making a deluxe Donatello bow staff because I sold out of those this week. Oh my God. So anyway, I'm gonna just, all it is this weekend is beefing up the inventory for spooky season. My shop's already sold like 900% over what it sold last year at this time. So yeah, a little busy. But anyway, that's what I'm working on. As always, link to the shop is in my bio. Warrior Arms and Props. I am out.